It's me, it's Ernest T. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back. Um, Today, we're doing some Aidells bacon and smoked Gouda chicken burgers. I may have done these before. I can't remember. I'm old. But they were on sale, and as you know, I can't resist a bargain. So, let's, I don't remember seeing these. Oh. Oh, to a packet. Uh, I'll stick those in the fridge or the freezer or something. I thought there was only two. Yummy, yummy. Sometimes these things are good, and sometimes they're horrible. We'll find out which one this is. And you keep an eye on that a sec. I'll stick these back in the fridge, or in the shade. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Of course you did. So I've got the griddle on medium low, and I'm gonna let these go in a few minutes, and hopefully they'll get a nice sear and have some great flavor. Hopefully. Right, Baja? So it's another beautiful hot day here in the Santa Barbara Mountains. There's fog out over the ocean, it looks like, which is not uncommon. At least we're not smelling smoke today. That's the ocean way over, right through there, yonder, but you can't really see it. And the city of Santa Barbara is down there somewhere underneath the fog, but you can't see that either. So, that's looking good. We're getting a good sear going. Huh? Does it look good? Chicken with bacon and Gouda. You know that's got to be good, right? Right. We all love our Gouda and our bacon. Everything's better with bacon. Beautiful day, hot day. Actually, according to the thermometer, the temperature has gone down 10 degrees since I got up this morning, which is not likely. I think my thermometer may be lying to me. Lying thermometer. Right, Baja? Yeah, nothing to say. Okay. So these are getting there, almost done. We've got our burger buns, and we slathered on some ranch dressing, because I like the ranch. So, actually we can turn this side off. Go ahead and grill our buns a little. Yes, Baja, thank you for the ball. And I thought it stuck to the plate a little. So let those go. Get the little bit of sear, the toast. I love toasty buns, and I cannot lie. All you other brothers can deny. I like toasty buns, and I cannot lie. So there. Look how nice and toasty. The ranch gives you a nice little zest. in the flavor. It's similar to butter and mayonnaise, closer to mayonnaise, I guess. Butter overall, I think, gives the best consistency in browning, but you can't argue with that. Look how nice that is. So these look done. Dun 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 dun. The buns are done. Definitely done buns. And let's zoom right behind. You have anything to say, co-host? Throw the ball. Oh. Okay. This is our chicken. Go. Hey, hey. You're in the shot. Chicken. Aidells chicken with bacon and Gouda. Hopefully it'll be a very good. Do you want to stick around for one more minute while I taste one? Sure you do. Okay. Let me, can we do that maybe? No, we'll give you a view of the mountains. Okay, here we go. The chicken sandwich. Oh. Oh. Got to turn off the griddle. It's supposed to remind me of that. So this has a good bacon flavor. The best bacon flavor of any of these sandwiches with bacon I've had. That's delicious, y'all. Delicious. It was a good price. I say that's a wiener. Good stuff. So 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all come back and watch me again. And have a great day. Bye!